My wife and I had an absolutely incredible time on CJ's bar crawling tour in Panama. From start to finish, CJ created a perfect blend of fun, culture, and nightlife. Each stop brought something unique, from delicious local drinks to hidden gems we never would have found on our own. But what really made the experience stand out was CJ himself. Not only is he a fantastic guide, but he also took the time to teach us about Panama's rich culture and history between stops. It felt like we were hanging out with a knowledgeable friend who just happened to know the best spots in town. We laughed, danced, tried new cocktails, and learned so much, all in one unforgettable night. If you're visiting Panama, do not miss this tour. It's the best way to dive into the local nightlife while gaining insight into the country's vibrant culture. Thank you, CJ, for an amazing night, Pierre. We attended the Luxe Crawl in Panama and had an incredible experience. Our tour guide, CJ, was fantastic, knowledgeable, fun, and made the night unforgettable. We explored Casco Viejo, visited a lush speakeasy, and enjoyed several top-notch cocktail lounges. I did the tour on my birthday, and CJ went above and beyond to make it special. He even took us to a bar where the bartender performed a mini flame show that spelled out HBD. It was amazing. I highly recommend this tour and have been raving about it to everyone back home. This pub crawl far more than met expectations. I'm in my 50s and didn't think the hardcore party tour was the one for me, and I'm glad I went for the Luxe tour. Edgar was excellent and took us to some amazing spots that I'd have never found on my own. It felt like we were discovering little secret gems. He was very informative and the drinks were all new, super tasty. He went above and beyond to make it worthwhile and fun. The tour was perfect. CJ was our tour guide and he took amazing care of our group of 9. We had to book last-minute BC of travel plans and CJ accommodated our need for different than normal tour time. He was wonderful. Not only did we learn something, but we had incredible cocktails and food at all locations. This tour is 100% worth it. This tour was not only informative but so much fun. My husband and I joined another set of friends for the tour. We were able to learn about the historic sites in Casco Viejo. CJ was super knowledgeable and a great host. There were 2 birthdays in our group and we stopped at an extra club to celebrate. Don't hesitate to book. I went to Panama with a friend and we decided to try this experience. Ciro, our guide, was incredibly attentive and friendly. He told us all about Casco Viejo and then took us to bars I never would have imagined existed there. A highly recommended experience, great places, great drinks, and great service. I did the Luxe Crawl. I enjoyed it. Edgar was my tour guide. He was excellent. He was patient, friendly and helpful. I would commend him if you are doing the bar crawl. Amazing guy. CJ was great. Very informed, charismatic, involved with all 7 of us on the tour. Went above and beyond. Highly recommend asking for him.